Hi, let's talk about the generation of computer. Generation in computer terminology is a change in technology a computer was being used. Initially, the generation term was used to distinguish between varying hardware technologies. Nowadays, generation includes both hardware and software. Let us now discuss the development in computer technology over the different generations. Let's start with the first generation. The period from 1940 to 1956 roughly considered as the first generation of computer. The first generation computer were developed by using vacuum tube or harmonic valve machine. The input of this system was based on a punch card and a paper tip. However, the output was developed in printouts. The first generation computer worked on binary coded concept. For example,
Second generation of computers. The period 1956 to 1963 is roughly considered as the period of second generation of computers. The second generation computers were developed by using transistor technology. In comparison to the first generation, the size of second generation was smaller. In comparison to computers of first generation, the computing time taken by the computers of the second generation was lesser.
So next, we have the third generation of computer. In this period, 1963 to 1971 is roughly considered as the third generation of computer. The third generation of computer were developed by using the integrated circuit of technology. In the comparison in the computer of the second generation, the size of the computers of the third generation was smaller. In the comparison of the computer of the second generation, the computing time was taken by the computer of the third generation was lesser. The third generation computer consumed less power and also generated less heat. The maintenance of the cost of the computer of the third generation was also low. The computer system of the computers of the third generation was easier for commercial use. Our next generation, this period of 1972 to 2010 was roughly considered as the fourth generation of computer. This fourth generation of computer were developed by using Microsoft technology. By coming to the fourth generation, computer became very small in size and it became portable. The machine of the fourth generation started generating very low amount of heat. It is much faster and accuracy became more reliable. The production cost reduced to very low in comparison to the previous generation.
Now let's proceed to the fifth generation. The period 2010 till the date and beyond, roughly considered as the period of fifth generation of the computers. So by the time, the computer generation was being categorized in the basis of hardware only. But in fifth generation, technology is also included software. The computers of the fifth generation had high capability and large memory capacity. Working with computers of this generation was fast and multiple tasks could be performed simultaneously. Some of the popular advanced technology of the fifth generation included artificial intelligence, quantum computation, nanotechnology, parallel process, and etc. So those are the fifth generation of the computers.